Well, good morning and welcome to Bowtie Life. This is Bowtie Dave, sitting here looking at some artichokes, Green Globe Artichokes. And there comes a time when seedlings need to be thinned. It's a painful time because that means something is going to get the hatchet. Now, these things, I have opted not to disturb their roots, or to disturb them as little as possible, which means I'm trying to grow them up in these pots as much as I can before I plant them out. And I've got to thin them because these things grow 3 feet wide and 5 feet tall. They're going to be big, so this is too close together for them to thrive. So, like this little fella right under here, it is not thriving because it's already underneath the leaf of this one. So it's time for that to go. If we look back over here, these two here are looking very similar, but if I turn this around, you can see this one appears to have a little more trouble on the leaves. Maybe eaten, maybe got nicked, I'm not sure. But I'm going to have to decide on which one of these. These leaves look really big and strong. These are a little smaller. So I'm going to opt to trim, ow, that one. Yeah, it's painful. Next one is this one right here. It's very painful. This new leaf actually looks very strong. This one is just coming out. You know what? I'm gonna be patient. Give this one another few days to see which one looks better. I hate this part. It's one of the most painful parts of starting seeds. But look here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 Green Globe Artichokes to put out in the garden. Remember when we planted these up? Very exciting. Please subscribe to follow the story. This is my personal journal of everything happening in the garden. Have a blessed day.